It is now 6:20. This is my morning face. A joke. Oh, I go on out the box. Get up from Shirley this morning still, because I go on. I've a heap of things for do. I have to go wash the carpet them. Wash the matting and thing. Wash out in the camera. They don't spray it out, but unfortunately, never get to grab the paint yesterday. So I will just scrap that for now, and then probably at a later date, I just mask out by the inside and spray which part of the show. But I want to fit it up because Friday night I come from work and that shut off for me. You see me? I can't carry my home. So I don't want to reach me again. I want to send that go give an electrician and have the bad car for drive, you see me? I'm sure you know I go on Friday night. So all I will say,
you ever seen a Corolla broken down?
Then I guess I'm here the salt one. But anyways, I go kick off today. Like right now, I go see if we can wash them out there. Wash them there. And then me wash out inside of the car and start clean out. Alright, so the first thing I go do today, I go wash the mat then. Because more the sun want them to dry. So wash them first, then I go wash out in the car. So we kick it off.
TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate, say we changed it, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so now I'm done wash the carpet them. And except the one for going in the trunk because I think I'm going to change that one there. So now I go inside of the Pink Panther. Well, too bad I'm not going to get the color out in here how I want it, but I'll do it at a later date. So I'm going to start wash out inside of the girl now. So far, I've managed to wash out the inside, get it out as best as possible. Yeah, the mat them dry, so I go breeze the inside for a bit, make it dry out a little bit more, and then me drop in the mat them. Then wash the seat them. If I get a chance to wash the seat them to them, I go wash them. Then I drop them in. Well, I go fit up the dashboard before I do anything else. So I go put in the mat, fit up the dashboard, draw through the clutch cable, the shifter cable, sorry, and start mount up.
Much later.
Alright, so it has been a few hours since I wash out inside of the car and the mat them. Mat them supposed to dry and now. I just come back as I come plug up the ECU and say I go start it, you see me? ECU right there, so. Just plug up that and say I come start it, you see me? So we can see what I go on. 1 kick. One kick. Alright, so machine start machine up. It's not fully dry, so we now start fit up yet. I wait till it dry out properly. So I'm gonna take a dry rag and now and go back over the little wet spot them I'm gonna find on the inside, you see me? And we start dropping back the carpet, the mat. You see me? Dropping back the carpet. You see me? So checking back a little bit from this. I give it the next 25 minutes.
Much later.
Alright, so I'm there for about an hour again. Now I'm saying I'll check back in 25 minutes. Alright, so look dry. So I go start flinging the mat them. That's right.
Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard for the house on vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations. Worked so hard for the house on vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
Remember for go and like, share, subscribe and comment. You see it. Big up on yourself. Thanks for your support. That way.